Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get wings, also known as Archwing in Warframe PC. Archwing is a special flight system that allows you to complete space missions and explore the Orb Vallis in a new way. To unlock Archwing, you must complete the Mars Junction on Earth. This junction requires you to have completed missions on Venus and Mercury, and you must meet several requirements, such as completing the Once Awake quest and reaching at least Mastery Rank 2. You also need completed missions while equipping a bolter primary weapon, and you must have purchased a MK1 weapon from the market additionally. You need to visit the side quest section of your Orbiter's Codex. After you beat the Mars Junction, the Archwing questline will unlock. You can access this quest through the Quest tab in the Star Chart navigation menu or through the Codex. Complete the Archwing questline to receive the Odonetta, which is your first Archwing. Once the quest is complete, you can use the Archwing for space combat and other Archwing missions. And that's it. We just learned how to unlock Archwing by completing the Mars Junction and meeting the required condition, then finishing the Archwing quest to receive the Odonetta. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.